Good morning, everybody. It is, what day is it? Thursday. I did not feel like filming on Monday, so I didn't. And I have my Thursday shipping. It's not a lot. I forgot to list a couple days this week. I don't know how it slipped my mind. This is kind of my job. But just with life, and Mondays are normally like my clean house day, so I was really busy cleaning the house. It takes a lot. It takes all day to clean a week's worth of house. So did that. Anyway, let's get started. Let's see what's sold. So first off are these No Boundaries jeans that I got from a ThredUp rescue box. They were new at tags, so I did decide to list them, and they sold for $4 plus shipping. So making my money back. It's fine. They've been listed a long time. This is a Lisa Rena. This is from like QVC. My mom gave this to me. A Lisa Rena puffy vest went for $20 plus shipping. So the buyer's like $26 all in. And the cost was free. I do think I'm coming down with a cold. I have like really sniffly nose, so sorry about that. But this is a Polo Ralph Lauren cute little dress that I got very recently in a haul where my children were screaming. Anyway, this sold for $15 plus shipping. It does have a broken button that I did not see when I bought it, so happy to get that. I sold this destroyed. It's got like holes, rips, all kinds of things. Lee jacket. I got this at the bins a while ago, and I had it priced at like, what, 60 something dollars. It got price dropped down to 50. Someone sent me a $40 offer, and I went ahead and took it. Bins prices, I probably paid $2. So overall, a win. I sold this Stylus little just plain t-shirt. This is a consignment client's item. It sold for $1.11 plus $5 shipping, so it's fine. I got these Gap corduroy navy blue bootcut jeans for free, and they sold for $12.50 plus $9 shipping. So little sales do add up, and it's great that there's no cost of goods. These Adrian Vittadini reading glasses sold for $9.72 plus $6 shipping. It's going to be a very easy ship. These were a very easy list. They've been slowly but surely selling, and happy to be getting rid of them. These Very G sandals, they are so cute. Sold for $20 plus shipping, so the buyer is $28.99 all in on these. These were leftover from my boutique. These taken a long time to sell. Boutique items, they sometimes move fast based on style, and sometimes they move super slow, but these retail for like $60, $70 probably at a boutique, so someone got a great deal and happy to move them out. Honestly, if you are in a career field or something that you absolutely like, it's getting miserable for you, just take the leap. I built a business, a boutique business, literally from the ground up, and I wasn't happy. Reselling was so much more fun for me, so I closed it, and people felt so bad for me. People were like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. No, don't be sorry. I was literally at a brick and mortar store all day, every day, and it was miserable. I wanted to be able to leave, go to garage sales, go thrifting. Now I have the absolute freedom to do literally anything I want. This is the dream. At 27, I am literally living the dream, raising my kids. It's beautiful. So if you're unhappy, take the leap. Do it. You fail, doesn't matter. Go get another job. You're not gonna die. That's my motivational speak for today. I sold this Prana tank top for $15 plus I think $5 shipping. I was pretty happy with that price. I did get this for free, so all profit. These Under Armour Storm fleece pants in a size large. These I like. Under Armour, honestly, in my area is a dime a dozen. I find it so often. I've said this before, I could literally go out every single day for like 50 years and find at least 10 pieces of Under Armour a day. Probably more than that, but I'm just saying that for an example. These sold for $10 plus shipping. They had a bunch of snags, so that's the reason why I took a lower offer, but overall happy with that. I can't remember what I paid for these. They were in my death pile. This Tech by Tumi Jacket, it has a lot of wear. That is why I accepted a lower offer, but this was $22, I believe, plus shipping. It would have went for a lot more, but it has a ton of wear. So anyway, I did get this for free. This buyer left a note that they do watch my YouTube channel, so thank you so much. I don't know what your name is because I have not printed my label out, but I hope you love this little bag. It is so cute. They bought it for $13.50 plus shipping. This is a Fashion Nova bag that I got out of my storage unit. I am 100% in the profit on it, so I am glad to move this out. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your purchase. This first SAM 45 or SAM 4S touchscreen POS system for like restaurants and things like this. If you ever were a waitress, this is probably what you rung up orders on. I found all of this equipment that I still have not put away on my shelf because it just keeps selling, which is awesome. Happy to move it out. I found these on the side of the road for free. This one sold for $300 plus I think $40 in shipping. Oh, I listed it for $450, got the $300 offer, and I was like, hell yes, I will definitely move that through for $300. By far my best curb find ever. I am just like so happy. I know later that day it rained, and I'm just so happy that I got this stuff before it rained. That's like, I felt like it was life-changing. The money is not life-changing, but something amazing to find for free. I sold these Carhartt cargo like ripstop work pants in a size 34 on Poshmark for $18 plus shipping. Can't remember where I got these. These are also a dime a dozen around here. I got this little kid's North Face jacket at a garage sale for $5, and it did have some staining on it, so I did accept a $25 offer. And that's it for today. Not a huge shipping day, but thankful for every single sale. And I might have a surprise for you guys coming up later. I have another storage unit that I think I'm going to bid on. It is a couple hours away, but it ticks all the boxes that I wanted for my next storage unit. And I cannot wait. I am determined to win it. I cannot wait. Hopefully we can get a trailer lined up to haul it home. I finally got my husband on board. He's actually excited to clean this one out, so. But by the time this video airs, we would have already won this unit by now, so hopefully I did. And maybe I'll let you know in the editing if I did win it and if we are going to be having another storage unit video coming up.